It is important to note, or let me state it from the beginning, that the marriage is not designed that we should struggle with it. God designed marriage to be enjoyed. From the beginning, God who created marriage designed it that it is an institution to be what? Enjoyed. Yes, there'll be ups and downs, challenges here and there, but it is designed for bliss, for good things to happen. Now, it means that if good things are not happening in any marriage, it's not God's fault. It is human fault. There are human error to it. It is not that God have made it so that it's not working. It is those involved have not allowed it to work.